upgrade my music system because we needed better sound in the car, and as well we wanted to have a rear camera. We did our search online and we came across CARONIC website over Instagram. We got the CLAYTON sound system with the back rear camera. The CLAYTON Android system has a lot of features which we did like. It's easy to connect on both kinds of phones like Android and iOS, and it has many options such as YouTube, Google Maps, Spotify, and many other applications that we actually like to have in our car. I'm very happy with the CLAYTON product. I'm so satisfied and highly recommend it. Guys, if anyone wants it, please contact the CARONIC. Thank you.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for the next video.